So I've been getting a lot of queries, a lot of phone calls on our helpline to find out exactly what depression is. And I think this is of late precipitated with the recent suicide of one of the film stars. So mental health comes into this, the importance of mental health, which I think is being ignored by a lot of people. If you get a cold or a cough, you go to a doctor and it gets okay. So depression is also something which is like a cold and cough. It may come, it may go, but it needs some attention either by a psychologist, and if it is very deep inside, then maybe a psychiatrist. There is nothing wrong with this. So I'm here to talk about mental health, but I would first like to talk about what is depression. 20 years ago, people didn't know what depression was. People thought sadness was okay, and a lot of people used to say, what is depression? Today, people just use depression as if, over the slightest thing. So I would like to tell you exactly that depression can be majorly divided into two categories. One is, which is a situational depression. A situational depression talks about, something which has happened recently, like maybe a breakup, maybe a divorce, maybe somebody's had an accident, maybe there's been a death in the family. Some traumatic incidents that have changed your life in the recent times, and the mind and the body and the soul are not able to cope up with this change. And so you could feel lonely, you could feel depressed, you could be feeling very, very low. This is generally short term and is all dependent on a particular situation. When we talk about a clinical depression is much more. It's more deeper. It could be related to chemical imbalances in the mind, certain chemicals like neurotransmitters, the alpha beta rays, etc. So some form of chemical imbalances could be also genetic to some people. And if situational depression left untreated could lead to a clinical depression. So for clinical depressions, we have to take some medications, and after some time you get okay with this. But a lot of people ask, why now? Why is there so much of depression now? And we didn't hear about this earlier. People may have had depression earlier, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Maybe people weren't aware of it, but definitely it wasn't there so much. It also depends on our lifestyle. You see, while we are trying to accomplish more and more and more, as the Western science talks about, because Western education talks about logic. Eastern science and education doesn't talk about logic. It is acceptability. So what is happening is that we're moving more towards the Western culture and understanding nuclear families. People are breaking up, nuclear families aane lagi hain, breakup of the joint family is there. And these all things were related to strengthening our communications, our social skills, and biggest thing of all was our support system. Today, very few people have support systems. So when you are in a crisis, you are actually fending it on your own. You're all alone. There has been no support system and true friends, etc. We've also gone away from spirituality. We've also gone away where we're not thinking of looking into where there is some supreme person who is looking into everything for you. So who will come and take care of you? So what is happening is that we're using our hit and trial methods to come out of it, and nobody is actually going to the psychologist. Getting up in the morning becomes a problem with these depressive behaviors. Not being able to do your daily chores. Not being able to sort of have a meaningless life. एक helplessness आ जाता है, where you understanding कि कुछ राह ही नहीं हमारे लिए. एक lack of interest है, घर में शादी है, फिर भी आप interest नहीं ले रहे उसके अंदर. All these kind of things build to actually take you away from people. Now, how did we land up in this situation? If it was clinical, it needs medication. but less of clinical and more of situational, is perception. आपकी thinking क्या है? Is the mind weak? Are we not able to cope up? एक pressure है that we need to act, behave and look in a particular manner. A lot of people don't need to act, behave and look in a particular manner like society subscribes to today, at least in the metros. So you have to get back to self-certification. Have realistic goals for yourself. Unrealistic goals कहीं आपको ले नहीं जा सकते. अगर आप ये सोचते हैं गर्लफ्रेंड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, एक बॉयफ्रेंड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज उसके पास है, that doesn't make sense. So peer pressure comes into it. उनके पास ये कार है तो मेरे पास उस कार से बेटर होना चाहिए. Looking towards materialism, we need to be grounded. और सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम जो है आज की डेट में वो ये है लाइफस्टाइल. लोग रात को जागते हैं और दिन में सोते हैं. People have late nights and people don't have a routine. So obviously it is upsetting not just your mind, not just your heart, or also your brains. They have to function in a particular way. The sun rises in the morning, sets in the evening, and similarly everything is done according to this. So mental health is very important. Please do not shirk. If you have a problem, आप जाके मिलिए किसी साइकोलॉजिस्ट को और साइकेट्रिस्ट को और अंडरस्टैंड करें कि डिप्रेशन एक छोटे टाइम के लिए होता है, एक नजरिया है. इस नजरिए को अगर आप बदलते हैं, you will be on track.